Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to adjust the headrest in a Volvo XC60. Press the small release tab behind the headrest, then lift or lower the cushion until it sits level with the middle of your skull. For folding seats, fold the headrest forward first and then adjust height. Make small movements and test driving posture after changes, ensuring the headrest supports your head comfortably and safely. Start by sitting upright and matching your seat to your driving position, then reach behind the headrest to find the release tab. Press the tab while moving the headrest up in increments until the top is about even with the top of your head, or lower it so it rests behind your skull for support. Double-check symmetry and ensure both sides lock securely before driving. If it resists, try pressing firmly and checking for obstructions. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading manuals and keeping car notes organized, with a glare-free screen and long battery life. Check the description for the link and other deals to see pricing and options. I appreciate each view and comment, and now let's get back to the video. Keep the headrest close enough to reduce whip effect, aiming for the middle of your head to align with the cushion. Avoid tilting the headrest too far back, which reduces support during impact, and instead maintain a neutral vertical position. For children or shorter adults, lower the headrest fully or add a booster pillow to maintain correct alignment, and always recheck after adjusting seats or mirrors. Consult your manual for model-specific limits and recall notices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.